It's story time, it's story time.
Es hora de el cuento.
It's story time, it's story time.
Es hora de el cuento.
Hi, welcome to STEM Day. My name is Miss Bev.
And I'm Miss Tracy. On Monday, we read the story, Pete the Cat and the Perfect Pizza Party. If you missed it or would like to hear it again, please click on the link in the description.
Today we're going to be having fun with boxes. The first one is a pizza box tic-tac-toe board game.
Oh, I love tic-tac-toe.
Well, great. You can make one to take home.
Okay, great.
You will need a clean pizza box, any color of felt or construction paper, scissors, and glue. Line the bottom of the box with the color and glue it down if you like. Cut out 4 lines to make the tic-tac-toe board. You can glue them down too if you like. Cut out 5 X's out of one color and 5 O's out of another.
And now all you need is a partner to play with.
Oh, that's me.
All right, let's play. Go ahead, you go first. Wah, wah, wah. Nobody wins.
One more?
Sure. Have fun.
Next, we will be making a pizza oven from a shoebox. You will need a shoebox, some cardboard, different colors of felt, 2 brads, scissors. Make some cuts in the lid and the box for the opening of the oven. Make a pizza paddle out of the cardboard to fit inside the box for storage. Cut 2 circles out of the cardboard for the knobs on the oven. Attach them with the brads. You can color them if you desire. Now create a pizza out of the felt any way you like. And now you can have your own pizza party. Have fun!
We hope you had fun today with our box projects.
Join Miss Cat tomorrow for some yoga. Goodbye.
Bye.